from Dr. Force and Smith, and I got it a couple of times. And then there's that, okay? And I can show you my address. But, alright, so let me open it. Oh, sorry. It's a good thing my nails are done. Okay. Unboxing Christmas stuff in August. They need their toys. So, I bought, because my birds, well, Ranger likes these, because it's a little softer, and he's a spoiled brat, so he gets those. It's in a bag, too. But it's like a peach, or it is an orange toy. He likes that. Ranger also likes this, because he likes these kind of toys, the small ones. And this is a strawberry. I bought him. And I've got another one. I guess they didn't close this one. But, oh, this is an apple one. It looks like that. Looks like that, see? And I bought a grape. It's in a bag. I'm not going to take it out. It's a grape. And another strawberry one. I did double. One for Ranger and one for Bello, which is over there. Hi, Bello. Bello. And that's Ranger up there. I don't know if you can see him. You see his reflecting eyes. And this is the same thing, an apple. And then the grape again. I bought him these, which is too small, I didn't realize. Ranger would chew these quick. So, I'm not buying that no more. I bought a orange. Another one. I bought a pineapple. I don't know if you can see the pineapple. That's the pineapple. I bought these. Ranger likes the soft things. He likes to shred them. So I bought another one of these. Too small. I didn't realize. This is probably good for my conure, which I'm going to give to my conure over there. Or that one up there. I'll probably give them to them instead. And here's another pineapple in a bag. And that's it. And a book. Where is it? It goes like this. I'll probably order more stuff for Christmas for them. It's nice. I mean, I like this stuff. I don't know what that is. I'm going to throw it out. But this is all his stuff. Put it away. Give some to Ranger. Give some to Bello. Give these things to my little conures. Because I didn't realize how small they are. So, you know. Oh, Ranger. And Bello. Bello. Let me show you my birds. This is Bello. He's 14 years old. It's going to be 15 in December. He's scared. He's like, ah, mommy! Too much light. Too much light. And this is, of course, everybody knows Ranger. Ranger. Everybody know who Ranger is. Say Ranger. Yeah, too much light for them. They're not happy. And this is Shanahan. 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 take him out. He flies too. This is Shanahan. See, he goes up there. And this is my girl, Josephina. And that's it. And this is how big the cage is. Here's my video camera right there. And turn it around. There you go. It's a big cage. And that is Ranger's cage. And this one will be, that is Bella's cage. And my green cheeks have a smaller cage, and the reason is because they are always out. It's a 24/7 outness, you know, like they always out. The only time I put them in the cage and lock it up is when they have to eat, because well, it's all chewed up now, but Shanahan eats hold on, this is the refrigerator. Shanahan eats Jamie and David's food. I did it when he was a baby, so that's why he likes organic food. But I had my other bird a little longer. He's not 10 years old now, and he eats, of course, the Abbott 1300. But I also give him veggies and stuff. And of course, Ranger eats the Harrison food. Yeah. And Bella eats, well, he eats this, Bella, because there's no nuts in there, and Bella's allergic to nuts, so he can't have nuts. And let's see, Bella eats Pretty Bird food. I tried to put him to Harrison food, but there's peanuts in there, and he can't eat them. And he doesn't like Jamie and David's food, so, I mean, I tried hard, but it ain't working for him, and that's it. And this is his refrigerator. That's Bella's food. Treats. He eats that. There's some almonds. They get like three of them every 3 times a week. And over those are mealworms for my gecko. Giant mealworms. And that's it, guys. And I just gave him almonds, so I can't give him no more. Yeah, that's it. Say goodbye to Bella. Hello. Hi, baby. You're handsome. Say goodbye to that guy. And where is... Oh, there he is. And Shanahan. He's going to probably fly because he doesn't like the Shanahan. And Josephina. And of course, Bello. And Ranger. Look at Ranger's eyes. They're glowing on top. He looks like a ninja. Alright. Bye-bye, guys.